Tune in, turn up, the clock's ticking fast. Crypto secrets from the future and past. Magic got the spark, Dave's got the flow. Right in the blockchain, wherever it goes. The Crypto Magic Hour, feel the power. Counting coins as we print every hour. VeVeMagic, Dave's on the scene. Crypto dreams in a digital gleam. Oh yeah, the Crypto Magic Hour.
What up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week, Crypto Magic Hour. I am excited this week. I hope everybody's doing well. You guys see these two beautiful faces I have on the screen over here, these two pretty boys. We are going to get to them in a second, but I just want to say what's good to everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. There is a lot cooking in the crypto markets. There is so much. But we're going to go over like market stuff and everything else like a little bit later. I know it's super late for my guest, and I'm going to introduce Hid in a second. Sunny D's here with us, but just to kind of set the stage for everybody in terms of what are we actually going to be talking about today, and how is this going to be relevant to anybody that's really been to any one of either my spaces on specifically like ATC, Reset Sunday. So you guys know that I'm big on trying to drive as much value as possible for community, right? Like it's a huge deal for me. And I think by driving value for community, that then allows like so many other things to kind of flourish, right? So I was thinking to myself, how do I actually build something out that can drive a ton of value for the community, like for themselves, for creators, like listeners, like, I mean, really just trying to get creative. And ENS came to my mind. You guys know that I spent time in the trenches in ENS and then really like learning this tech. And Hid was obviously one of the guys that I had the pleasure of meeting along the way, who is an absolutely incredible builder. So what you guys are going to learn today and what we're going to walk you guys through is how do you use this stuff? So last week you saw what we did, right? Last week you saw me and Sunny D on stream. We essentially set our wallets, our records for the wallets. I sent Sunny D TRX literally over the Tron network directly to his ENS name. Easy peasy, lemon fucking squeezy. It was great stuff. Really simple, really easy. This is going to be the next level for what we have cooking, right? And what we can genuinely do with a lot of this stuff, and with these ENS names that are literally sitting in your wallets right now. I've minted over, I think now we're up to about a little over 215 of these things. So the ATC army is slowly growing. And this episode, and I'm going to pull all the recaps. I'm going to do everything for this as well. But if you're in front of a computer, you're going to get to see exactly like what we genuinely can do with these things and how ENS, in my opinion, is literally going to be the meta for this upcoming cycle. Well, whatever, cycle, no cycle, I don't care. Some people say the cycle's done, but it's going to be the meta, bottom line. Like I'm seeing it more and more on my timeline now. People are buying names for crazy amounts of money, and people are building on names. And that's the thing. I want to show people how do you actually build on all of this stuff. Let's go. Shout out RD and everybody else. But let me say what's up to Sunny D first. Sunny D, what's good, my brother? How are you?
Yo, I'm doing good. Can you hear me?
A little bit low.
How about now?
Much better.
Cool. Actually, before I just was wondering, how do I find the link on LinkedIn? I actually have a pretty decent sized following on LinkedIn. I want to share.
Yeah, so it's on my LinkedIn page. If you need you want the
DM me your contact on LinkedIn.
Done. We'll definitely do that. Appreciate it, man. Otherwise, you good, Sunny D? Everything else good?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day here in my corner of the world. I got my Tron Megaspace later this afternoon, so this is like a good warm up, and I really love this ENS stuff. Like, had a great experience with ENS last season, and I'm pumped. And now that I've like kind of seen how you've pulled all this stuff together, I'm very excited to see like how this tool is going to engage more people, put a little extra value on it, because you can show up to the show. The show is free, but getting that digestible information afterwards that gives you talking points and reference points gives everybody in the community like a touchstone to go back to when they're going out into the world and talking about it. So I'm pumped to be here.
Let's go. I appreciate you for being here, Sandy. Thank you. Thank you, Artie. Divinon, what's up? VV Wheels, I love it. WebHash Node. And without further ado, my special guest, Hid. What is going on, man? It's good to chat with you again, brother. How are you?
Hey, Dave. Hi, Sunny. Nice to meet you. Dave, it's been a long time. I'm not seeing your spaces happening in Twitter about ENS nowadays, but I will start soon. Yeah, we had a great time. Yeah, it's going good. We reached like 8,000 plus users using WebHash now. So we started 2 years back, and purely ENS based product. So we saw a lot of problems happening in decentralized storage, stuff like IPFS and those stuff. We used to work with the infra providers who provide IPFS storage and those stuff. Our focus was on front end tools, where we wanted to help the users who don't know how to code and build a website. So that is the problem I was started trying to solve. Because there was more than 2.5 million ENS names in 2022, and when we see that there was only 30,000 ENS names had IPFS content hash added to it. That is where I thought, okay, there are a lot of users using their ENS name, using it to showcase on their Twitter handle as their identity, the Ethereum identity. They are proudly displaying their .eth names, but when you see their bio links, it is like Linktree or some Web2 solution they are using to have their bio links. So my primary aim was to replace that Web2 names and make every ETH holder to have a bio link based on their ENS name. So it's not free. They are paying every year. They are paying for three characters $640, and for 4 characters $120, and more than 4 characters $5 a year. But they are showcasing only on their Twitter handle. So that is where I thought, okay, let us build something where every user who is non-tech, who is using, who is proudly showcasing their ENS as their identity, they should do more, because ENS is a domain. It's not just a simply wallet naming system. It has a lot of utilities added to it. My background, I started something called w3layouts.com in 2012 as an open source product which helps designers and who wants to build a website. It has more than 5,000 templates published to that platform, and we have more than 1 million signed up users, niches, designers who is using the platform, and more than 50 million downloads happened through that platform. Those are web design. So I come from that background. I have a team of 20 designers who designs every day and publish into W3 Layouts. So that is where I thought, okay, we have this background, and we understand crypto and decentralized technologies, and we proudly display .eth names. Why can't we build something on it? Okay,
I love it.
That is where we started as 1W3. Then we rebranded 1W3 into WebHash. So now I can proudly say that we have achieved what we thought of doing it. So now more than 8,000 users using it, and more than 12,000 decentralized websites built using our platform.
No shit.
So now, yeah, 12,000 decentralized.
I like it. I like it. And Hid, like I want us to like the one thing like to maybe keep in mind like throughout this whole thing, right? So we started this, like me and VeVeMagic started this show because and I can't believe we're 25 episodes in, is because for anyone, and especially now, I think it's so much more critical, is there's newbies, right? People that have never heard of ENS. They don't know what they're doing. They have this thing sitting in their wallet, or maybe they've never even minted one before. But I want us to genuinely focus today over the next like 90 minutes or so in terms of as simple and as easy an explanation and as a setup as possible. And you were the first thing you were the first person that came to my mind when I'm like, how do I actually drive something that people are going to get? Because the cool tech is cool, but it's like I need it to be really easy and simple to understand. And your platform has been genuinely like really, really simple. So let's jump it. Like, let's set the stage for it. I know I sent you a couple of a couple of ENS, a couple of all things crypto subdomains. So if you can, like, I don't know if you want to share your screen and kind of maybe just walk us through a little bit. There's no no form or format. Everybody in the comments, feel free to throw your comments in here. LMD, I'm going to send you a link if you want to jump on stream with us. I'm going to send you that over. But Hid, show is yours, man. Like, let's do this, man. Like, walk us through this platform. How do we do this? How do we get set up, and what's possible?
So let me share my screen.
Yep.
Before starting the demo, I would like to explain some benefits of ENS names, ENS domains, I can say. See, ENS domains are not like regular Web2 domains. There are a lot of benefits added to ENS domains. The best benefit is it's owned by you. Nobody can take it away from you until or unless you forget to renew your domain, like threadguy.eth. And it's censorship resistant domains. Means once you make it live, nobody can take it down until or unless you do it from your wallet. So WebHash was started for non-tech users who don't know how to build a decentralized website, or you can say a website on ENS names. Now we not only support ENS, we support DNS domains, we support multiple protocols and chains now. So let us go through the demo now. So
now this is your. So now everyone that has this in their wallet now, right? They simply have to go. And by the way, I saw that news this morning where like your .com, like that whole GoDaddy deal, like literally fell through the cracks. I feel like nobody was paying attention to that. So now your .com can act as like your decentralized site. Crazy. Let's go, Avocado fam. Let's go, Millie. Appreciate you being here. But Hid, so now webhash.com is your website, the app, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So webhash.com, over the time, what we did was we wanted to have a truly decentralized infrastructure. So we announced our node network, where now more than 60 community members came together and providing nodes to the network, where these websites which are getting published, it is going and published onto the networks around the world provided by the community members. So now our network is truly decentralized, and websites are being published onto different nodes around the world. And we got more than 32 GB of storage provided by the node network. Whoever is interested to provide a node, they can always set up a node by going to webhash.com, and in future they will get incentivized when we go to the mainnet. So if you want to build a website, you can just click on create a website, which will take you to the app.webhash.com, where you will get multiple options to log in. People who are scared to connect their wallets, they can always use social logins to log in into the platform. Right now, I will log in with my wallet because I want my ENS to be fetched in the platform. So once I connect my wallet, sign the signature, it will show the list of websites which I have built already in the platform. Like I have built more than 372 websites in the platform. 30K clicks happened till now, and the storage which I have utilized, and those details. Cool. So to create a website, you can just click create button here. So once you click, it will present you with more than 140 pre-built templates on the platform. Like with a click, your website is ready. Just change the content and publish it to IPFS and connect it to your ENS names. For example, if I want to use this template, I can just click it. I can see the demo of that particular website here in different devices, mobile, iPad, or desktop. Once I like it, I will just click build now. So it will deploy the website for me. So here I can edit any component available in this.
So wait, hold on, time out real quick. So you connected your hid.eth, right? So if somebody that I sent an all things crypto.eth subdomain to, right? So like if I send them that, essentially like they log in, and as long as they have their does that have to be like their primary name that has to be set, or like do they have to select it from like what do they want to build on?
They can build on any domain which is available in their wallet. It is irrespective of primary name or whatever. If the domain is available in their wallet, they can connect their wallet and start building it. Once they publish, then they can connect that particular website to the ENS name. For example, this is a new website which I have deployed using a template available in the platform. So now I can edit the components of this website by just clicking the edit button here. I can change it. Okay.
Got it.
You have a lot of flexibility. You want to add an image, you can add. You can do a lot of stuff, like you can align it, justify it, change the background color, add animation. Even you can add animations to it. Okay, so once I update it, the content will change in this demo stuff. Yeah, see the content change and the animation added to it. Okay, so now I did the changes. Same thing you can do with the images also. So this is a slider. You will get multiple images. Slider, you have multiple images here. You can choose and change the image whichever you want.
So you can put custom images. So now,
Yes.
typically, what types of websites are people building, right? Like, is there templates for different kinds of sites? Like,
Yes.
can I build when I say a real website, right? I mean, like, can I sell shit on, like, can I build an e-commerce site? Like, what can I do?
Yes, you can do that. See, we have different kind of payment. You can even accept crypto payments. Okay, you can use the crypto block. Yep. There are more than 40 blocks available in the platform. Like, you can accept PayPal payments, you can accept crypto payments. So if you want to accept crypto payment, add your wallet address, then define how much ETH you want to charge to the user. Then button name, donate to me or something like that. Okay, and this is not only mainnet. Okay, users can donate or pay using any L2. So this crypto payment button supports any L2. Okay, so when the user clicks here, it will ask to add the wallet, like connect the wallet, and you will start.
So if I want to sell, just as an example, so if I have a t-shirt business, right, and I want to essentially use my .eth name to essentially create like an offshoot, like for my t-shirt business, and accept crypto, I can essentially just upload all of the different images, structure the different site, link all of my different socials, and then also be able to take crypto payments.
Yes, that is what we did. Okay.
And this is the beauty of decentralization, right? Because now we don't have to go through like all the hoopla of like Stripe and all. That's crazy.
And the middleman has been avoided here. See, there is no Stripe, there is no PayPal, there is no one who is controlling your business or your money, which you have earned by doing content production or selling something online. So traditional businesses, traditional e-commerce, how it works, Stripe will hold your earning for some time. PayPal does the same thing. Okay, and there is a commission added to it. Okay, you are not getting 100% which you have earned from your product and your hard work. Okay, so here what happens, while you are adding the payment block, you are adding your wallet address. Okay, this means whatever the user is paying, it is directly going to your wallet. So there is no middleman. Okay,
no fees, no nothing, no bullshit. If I charge 0.01, if I charge 0.1 ETH for people to access a piece of content or whatever, that is coming directly to my wallet.
Yes. So see here.
Yeah.
I have connected my wallet, and now I can pay using the crypto pay button. Okay. If I pay, it will directly go to the user.
Wow. No middleman.
Happening in minutes. Okay, you're not using you're not wasting your time. Just click a button, add your wallet address, define the payment amount, done. Your website is ready.
Okay, so time out for a second, because I know how this could be a little bit confusing just because there's a lot of moving parts, right? Do you have like a fully done like a fully complete website that we can maybe take a look at that does take payments, so we can see like what they're selling, like what the items are, and just kind of like walk through like maybe one that's complete?
Right now, I don't have any example. Some community members may have built it. I never noticed who has built it. Definitely, they are using it.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the example. Like here, see, it's just you need to add a block. Like, for example, if you want to sell a T-shirt, add an image block. Okay. Then add the crypto payment block with that. Okay, choose an image, select an image. For example, I'm selling this badge. Okay,
Yeah.
submit it.
Okay. Okay. This is amazing.
So
So it's a
now,
block. Okay. Can you walk us through? Oh, cool. So now on
now
the
you
bottom, it's going to show up like I'm selling this.
yes.
Okay, so
Okay.
what are the blocks? Let's go through each thing because I need to see what kind of
Sure.
blocks there are to see like what am I able to link? What can I sell? Right? Like I need to know. Let's walk through it.
Yeah. So see, avatar is nothing but if you are building some link tree or a profile kind of thing, you can use avatar block. Avatar is you will add an image and it will be uploaded. Heading blocks, paragraphs, links. See, whatever is required for a basic website building stuff, everything is available in the standard blocks. Okay, standard blocks comes with all the components which is required to build a website. You can
Audio,
upload a
video.
audio. You can upload a video. You can upload a PDF file. You can upload a regular file and and then web3 we have web3 blocks. Web3 blocks is nothing but Farcaster. If you use Farcaster block, your Farcaster feed will appear on your website. Okay, EFP is like it will show if you give the wallet address, it will show who is following you, who are you following. You can build kind of a profile where it shows all the followers and following stuff. So
Oh,
similarly,
EFP is the social graph.
yep,
Oh,
yes,
that's cool. So,
Ethereum follow protocol done by Brantley.
God, I
Okay.
remember. Okay, cool. Wait, okay, but wait? You can issue POAPs too?
You can showcase your POAPs.
Showcase. Okay.
Yeah. And namespace is I think you know about namespace. Namespace is a subdomain providing platform. Like if you have a
Off chain.
ENS name, not off chain, it's on chain. You can provide subdomains on L2s also.
Oh,
Not on,
optimism. Right.
yeah, Optimism, Base, Arbitrum, and those chains. So they have built a beautiful product where you can add your domain, then change the resolver, and you can provide gasless names, and you can sponsor for the domain gas also if you want. They have enabled those features, and you can provide. See, that is the challenge of providing subdomains. If it is on mainnet, the gas fees will be huge. We cannot sponsor as a project. It will become very difficult to provide subnames on mainnet on Ethereum. So if it is on L2, that will be very easy. So this block gives a widget on the website where you can tell, okay, visit hit.it, you can mint a subdomain on hit.it, something like that.
Right.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. Hey, did you see this comment by LMD? She said, okay, so buy Wix and Etsy. She's saying, like, see you later. Like, this is genuinely what this means now. Like, we now have a fully decentralized way. Like, why would I use some of these other ones and not use it? Because now, like, look, like, okay, sorry, I get ahead of myself. My fault. Hit. Keep going, because like as I'm looking at this now, so like you can embed like your YouTube videos on here, everything.
Yes, you can embed Spotify playlist. You can embed SoundCloud with audios. Then you can add YouTube videos. You can do all the stuff which is required from web to entertainment platforms. You can showcase your videos. NFTs are not working. It's buggy. That is the reason we disabled it. For me, it is showing. That's fine. You can embed your tweets. You can embed your Pinterest, TikTok videos, and all the stuff, all web to social media content, whichever wherever you publish, you can bring it to your website. That is how it works.
So
Okay, so yeah.
real quick, so scroll back up. So now for Twitter, right? Because obviously everybody here, the majority of the audience that we have, and shout out to the 1,900 people that are now filing in here to see this.
1,900 people, that's great.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, man. Like people love like the beginner friendly shit is the stuff that we started this with and where we're at, because I'm telling you, like there's a need for this, Hid. I'm serious. Like people want to know how to build simple, and they want easy explanations to shit. They don't want complex fucking like, Ethereum blockchain talk. Like they want, show me how to build this. How do I essentially token gate? How do I do this? So now I can embed my Apple. So how does it, like, show me an example, right? Like if I wanted to put, let's say, a YouTube video, like from my page, right? From Crypto Magic Hour. Here, I'll post the link below. Can you go take a Crypto Magic Hour video from like my YouTube page and like just post it up to the site so that we can see what it looks like? Let me see. Here, share. Copy. I'm gonna put it. This was, I think, like last week.
Now
Like,
it's live streaming. Let us find some of the. This one is fine.
yeah. Anyone, yeah, go for it.
So let me copy this URL.
This is so. Yo, Sunny D, are you seeing this shit, bro? This is crazy work.
YouTube. Edit. Submit.
Yo. And then the look and design and feel for everything, like you can customize all of it essentially. The background colors, like the social, everything.
We got to get Tron Link on here because USDT payments are going wild.
Yeah. Wait, so now, question for you. So now, can we accept if the subdomains are on? Like I issued them all on L1, right? The majority of them, because, like, I don't know, I didn't want to change resolver for namespace, whatever. Like I issued them all on L1, and it's been okay. Honestly, it's like 17 cents, 20 cents. It's not.
No, it's okay. Yes.
Now it's okay. But my question is, if Sunny D, who's big in the Tron ecosystem, right? If he wants to accept Tron payments, as long as his record is set to that ENS name, can he accept like TRX like into his like as payment?
Right now we are supporting EVM only ETH payments. We are actually the developers are working on multi-chain, multi-payments and those stuff. So we have started with Solana now. Then we are doing Sui. As you said, Tron. Yeah, definitely. We will build integrate Tron into it if the ENS has Tron address. User should be able to. So for now, it is ETH payments because it was simple to develop. So so that is what happening right now. So now Solana community is coming in using WebHash, so we have to build for them also. So next stage is we are thinking Solana and Sui should be added to the platform where users can.
Does anything go on in the background, Hid? Like, you know how like there was, I remember these ENS names where, and shout out to More Than SEO, where he said he made a basic WebHash site live and got up to 3 URL, including some of the IPFS. And I'm like, is there a way to brand our free name SLT? So hold on to this, More Than SEO. We're going to come back to you in literally just a second because everyone here, I think, is a little bit more like beginner. Yeah, LMD, I'm dropping you the link right now. Is there a way, because I remember like there was things in the background. You remember where you would like send ETH to like, you know, you can bridge and swap and stuff in the background, like just by like sending like money to an ENS name. Is that possible on the payment side to do something like that? I know that might be a little bit more advanced, but like if I send ETH to, let's say, hid.eth, can you have that in the background, like automatically like swap the ETH to TRX?
What we are doing is we are bringing all the Web3 technologies and bringing on into one page.
Got it.
Okay. So there are other platforms who are helping to do that, like ThirdWeb. ThirdWeb helps you build an NFT collection and those kind of contracts and those stuff.
Got it.
Do deploy everything there, bring the widget here, and start integrating into your front end.
Got it.
So we thought this is the best way to help the user than start building everything. It's not easy and it's time taking. So our focus is on giving a user friendly interface where they can use all other platforms, build everything, bring it here, deploy it onto your front end, and connect it to your ENS name. Okay, someone was asking about SEO. Is it?
Yeah. If you look in the comments, hold on. I'll post it up 1 second. Let me just give me 1 second. I'm just sending this over to LMD. LMD, I just shot you over the DM. But yeah, somebody was asking about, and I don't want to confuse people too much. So if you want to maybe answer these questions, I know this is maybe a little bit more intricate and a little bit more technical, but yeah.
So SEO is taken care. They can go to customize. There is a customization menu. When they click it, they can see SEO option where they can add title, description, meta keyword, open graph image, which will pop up in social media when they share the link. They can do all those stuff. So they can go through our documentation where they can find each and every component explained and how to use it and all the stuff. Even we have more than 50 videos published in WebHash channel where every block is explained. Okay,
Got it.
how to add stuff, how to delete, how to do SEOs, and all those.
Got it. And for people that are wondering like what this actually means, like right now, like the way Google works is it indexes all of these different websites, right? But it's based off of the domains. Now, .eth, in order to essentially for that to quote what's called resolve, it has to have like an ending like a .limo at the end because it's obviously decentralized. Google doesn't recognize it as of yet. I think that .eth, I think if I remember correctly, it was like owned by Ethiopia, whatever that story was. But essentially, like you're saying, yes, there is a way to go in and obviously customize it to where you can obviously like put all the tags and everything else to where your decentralized website can essentially show up in Google search results, right?
Yes.
Love it.
Yeah. Coming back to the blogs, we have different variety of blogs. They can use it, they can build whatever they want using it, and we have more than 140 templates available in the platform for different use cases. For example, they want to build a link tree. We have templates available for link tree. If they want to build a business website, yes, we have templates available for that. Portfolio, resume, where they can build a resume and share their ENS name. If someone asked, so if they're applying for a job in Web3, that will be a
really
super showcase their resume to the employer.
That's cool. That's cool.
So
like being able to upload have a resume. That's incredible. So now, what do you see the majority of people using? And I'm going to say what's up to LMD in a second, but what do you see the majority of people using? Like the 8,000 users, are they building like decentralized websites? Are they building resumes? Are they building link trees? Like what's the majority of people using?
So I can say anyone who is using for identity, they are building a link tree kind of a website. But there stablecoins.eth is there, who is using to showcase educating what is stablecoins and those stuff, and somebody are using as a landing page to sell their ENS name. And Kias.eth in ETH Denver, he built airporttaxi.eth.limo, where whoever is visiting the ETH Denver event, they can book his cab via ENS name. So he built WebHash, where he was accepting payments through crypto using crypto pay block and all those things. So people have built games using WebHash. The vibe coders, they are going to AI, generating the code in AI, bringing the code and using custom HTML block or custom JS block. So they can just copy the code from AI and paste the code here and submit.
So I can use GPT to essentially create me whatever I want and then put custom HTML code. So technically I can go clone any other website I want using one of these AIs, bring the code over here and then done, voila.
Yes.
Wow.
So they're building crazy stuff. It's not only Linktree kind of websites. There are businesses, there are games, there are Linktrees, there are resumes, lot of stuff. So
wait, go back one screen. What are we seeing on the screen? Because I see like one of them look like mobile. Is it the same thing? Like I know one of them looked like, was that like the difference where it was like a mobile one?
Yeah,
or
how
like
it looks in mobile and how it looks in desktop. We have two images in this image. Yeah.
This is amazing. Okay. So now I want to, this is incredible, but there's so much stuff. But let me just say what's up to LMD. LMD, what's up, you beautiful soul? Are you with us? You're on mute. Did I add her? Yeah. LMD, can you hear me? LMD. I don't know what's happening, but I think LMD, you're on mute. If anything, maybe if you want to try and log out, maybe try and come back in. Anyways, okay. LMD, like we can't hear you. You're forever on mute. But once you figure that out, please like come on back. Let me know, and we'll obviously add you right back. But Hid, let's talk. I want to talk about like specific use case, right? Because this is very specific, like for me and my community, and kind of like how I see myself, like genuinely driving, like real value. I want to token gate the content that I create. I use AI to create a shit ton of content, right? Like I take I run, you know me, right? Like I run a ton of spaces. That spaces content is so valuable. Like I repurpose it in a million different ways, summaries, right? Like so many different ways. So if I wanted to token gate something, I saw it said coming soon. I don't want to obviously jump the gun. Is that something I'm able to do? Like we're going to be able to do?
Yes, by end of August, you will be able to do token gated decentralized websites. Only challenge we are trying to figure out is how we can make sure these RPCs work through a different. That's too technical. Forget about it. Yes, we are working on it. And you should be able to token gate based on NFTs, based on tokens, or based on POAPs. Okay, so if you have given a POAP to someone, you can say that, okay, if someone holds this POAP, they should be able to access this content, or if they hold this NFT, they should be able to access or if they hold this token, they should be able to access the content. So right now in first phase, it will be EVM based, L2s and L1. In second phase, we will go multi-chain.
Amazing. Oh, because that for me, that's generally what I want to do. Like I was thinking about maybe building it like on my website. We have you, LMD. What's up?
Hello, you beautiful souls. Can y'all hear me now? Okay, there we go. We got it working. Hello.
We got you. What's up? How are you?
I am phenomenal. This is amazing. I was like, okay, I got my keyboard, my iPad. I'm hacking into my PC that's around the corner so the kids can do their thing. But I'm here for this because I'm like, I just quit my Wix subscription because I was like, I'm gonna do my own thing. So this is in perfect timing with what I need. So, thank you.
Yeah. What were you using for Wix? Just give us kind of like the so that we can maybe make it like relative to like what Hid has here. Like what kind of business were you genuinely running? Because I know you're like me, like you're like squirrel. You're all like we're all over the place. But I'm kind of curious what you're building like website wise.
Definitely. So I was trying to have a centralized location for all the various things that I do. So I was working on having a place that had portions of my YouTubes being streamed through there so that they could see video content of the things that I do, because being multidimensional, where do you need me? And then you can direct yourself to that section of this one page of lots of different things. But I also had my clothing shops embedded into one area because I have so many different things. I used to have a Society 6, I have a Teesprings, a Redbubble, all of that. So trying to consolidate it into one thing. And so I've really been using Linktree more than I've been using my actual Wix. But inside of Wix, I can add in my spatials and my metaversal worlds where people can pop in the website version of those. So trying to bring all of that together.
Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, no, that sounds really cool. I mean, it sounds intricate as hell, but I think like what we're looking at here, like I'll tell you this right now too, like if it isn't here now, I can promise you like that Hid is definitely thinking about it and probably building, because I saw token gated and I'm like, yeah, I need to like I need token gating, and I know that this is the stuff they're working on. He said he's got a massive team, right? Like, so they're building and iterating like in public, essentially, like quick, like they're iterating, but like everything looks it looks clean, Hid. It really does. It doesn't look difficult, right? Like when I go to a website where it starts talking to me about DNS and records and this, and I see that shit is complicating as hell if you're not technical. I just want to go in, give me simple buttons that I can see that says, hey, update this, change color for that. Like I'm an idiot when it comes to this kind of stuff. Like that's the simplicity that I genuinely need. And this is really, really cool. Like I feel like this is, yeah, let me just chill for a second. Sunny D, where are you at with this, bro? Because like I kind of want to get your feedback. And Hid, let's take a pause because I know that we reviewed a lot. So I want to make sure that everybody's here, see if there's any comments. Obviously, like anybody has any questions in the comments. But Sunny D, where are you at, bro?
Well, first of all, I'm kind of stoked. Like this is a solution that anybody that's kind of crossed over to Web3 that they've been looking for a while. Like we're still waiting on Squarespace, Wix, Etsy, Shopify. Like we still have to go through, use their payment processors in order to accept payments. I mean, I really won't know until I dig into it. And I think that's the case for everybody, but it seems like a lot of solutions are already ready to go, which is super cool. And I'm very curious, like, because I know you said you're not doing NFTs yet, but people being able to create their own NFT galleries and shops. I was like looking into that, like I would say 2022, and used it, but a lot of those tools still required the devs with that company to make those changes and adjustments. This looks like it's putting a lot of the, it gives us the ability to create what we want rather than constantly like waiting on, somebody else to do it, and to do it, having to like relay exactly what you want. And it's wild. It's like highly customized. You said like 140 templates all ready to go.
Yes.
HTML compatible.
So 140 templates are live.
It's wild.
It's compatible with every device.
Hid, how much does this cost people?
Yeah, that's a good question.
So 5 websites are free. 30 MB of storage is free. Post that. They can purchase storage $5 a GB, because the storage is permanent. You're not paying monthly fees to keep your website live. That is the beauty of WebHash. Once you publish a website, it's permanent. That is what we are trying to solve. So there are more than 500 million websites which shows 404 error or site not found and those stuff. We are trying to solve the digital decay problem, where a website which is being published, it should be live for life using decentralized technologies. So my first idea of building this tool is, I am building products from 2006. I have built more than 15 to 20 products. I exited from few and shut down some because it was not monetizable, and it was scaling huge and those stuff. So one of the best example is backupmobile.com, which I built in 2010. That time there was no iCloud, there was no Android Google backup. So I have to shut it down because of the funding issues and those stuff. If I think about backupmobile.com, I don't have a live demo to show to someone, proudly show that I have built something in 2010 where you can back up your contacts, you can back up your photos, videos onto cloud and sync it back to your mobile. Have it live because I have shut it down. So if this technology was there at that time, my website will be live for life. This is the example I tell a lot of people. If you are a content creator, you are creating content, build something on WebHash, publish it to decentralized storage, and it's like a generational wealth generating tool. Okay, if you are there, if you are not there, give your wallet keys to your kids or your grandkids. They will be eating the fruits which you have built. Okay, so you don't have to worry about hosting fees. You don't have to worry about DDoS attacks. You don't have to worry about censorship. Okay, nobody can censor your content because it is decentralized. Okay, if one gateway is down, you can access the content through another gateway. So
who's building the OnlyFans, the decentralized OnlyFans, bro? That's what I want to know. Somebody's building a decentralized OnlyFans. I need to know who it is.
There are a bunch of people who are doing that.
I knew it. LMD, you know what I'm talking about, because you hear all of these crazies in the spaces. They're like, oh, I'm going to be building the decentralized OnlyFans. Okay. I mean, we talked about some crazy shit on the reset last week. I mean, we saw it, but
yeah, decentralized OnlyFans. Yes.
I'm serious, bro, because you could put any type of content up here. So now, wait. So, let me ask you a question, right? Because I want to try and make this maybe selfishly, like you're my guest, and I kind of want to see how to forward my business. And I think this can maybe also maybe inspire a few others. But if I have this content, right? And I don't want to, let's say, of course, I'm going to the token gated stuff is definitely stuff I want to do. Can I sell individual pieces of content on the site? Because I'm thinking if I can accept payment, right? If I create a piece of content for, let's say, a client, right? Like an audiogram where it's like an audio visual, 1 minute snippet of somebody saying something in a space, and I want to post that to here. can I put that up for sale to where they can then come to the website and purchase that digital item?
That is the plan. So someone wants to build their digital items, then they can use a crypto payment block, or they can token gate the content.
Right.
Ask them to buy the NFT. If they buy the NFT, if they hold the NFT in the wallet, once they connect it, then only they can access the content which is being published through the decentralized website. We are building that. We want to empower the content creators. Lot of podcast producers reached out to me saying that I did some podcast for 10 years. Then I lost interest and I moved on to something else. I had years of holidays roaming around the world. Now, when I come back, Spotify has removed my podcast from the platform because nobody is listening to the podcast without a notice, or maybe they have sent a notice. I don't have access to my email. So that is what I'm trying to say, that content should live forever on the web, because you have spent time on it, you have spent money, you have spent your blood and sweat to produce that content. So everybody cannot do what content creators does. So everybody cannot do what developers does. So when content creator produces something, it should be there, and it should be accessible, and it should be censorship resistant. So that is why we launched the Node network, where community can come together, provide their spare PCs or Raspberry Pi, spending $150, set up a Raspberry Pi in their homes, adding 1 TB storage to it, and they can become part of the Node network. And
that's what Miss A was asking. She said, "Thanks for sharing the tech data. Can this be hosted on your own node?" So you're saying literally something as simple as a small Raspberry Pi that you can probably buy wherever, at Best Buy, whatever, for $150, and you're good, and you host it yourself.
Yes.
Wow.
You are the owner of your content. Okay.
Amazing. And
go
ahead. Sorry.
Not only that, when you publish the content website through WebHash, it is publishing into 5 different nodes for redundancy. So if one node goes down, maybe internet issues or anything can happen, the node can go down. So the copy of the content will be available around the world in IPFS network, in 5 different locations, minimum 5 different locations, where they can access the content through those nodes. So we have planned it and we are doing it now. We are 61 plus users who has become node providers, and even that is the aim, that you should not see. For example, if it takes other decentralized storage protocols, you have to spend thousands of dollars to provide a node to the network. Then only you become part of the network. In WebHash node network, as I said, less than $150, you will become part of the node network, and you are helping the node, and you are preserving your content on your own node. Okay. Then when mainnet goes live, the node providers will definitely get incentivized for helping the network, for providing bandwidth.
That was my next question. I'm like, how do people get paid for running a node? Because that's the whole deal, right? Like, if I'm going to run a node, like, where's the money coming? Because at the end of the day, like, that's a big deal, right? Because I know people, like, when people look at DPIN, right? Like Arweave and the rest of these were like the original DPIN networks, right? Like that's generally what it is. So how does somebody ultimately get paid for something like this for running that node?
Yes, we'll be launching hash token soon, once the mainnet goes live, and users will get incentivized in hash token. Definitely. It is going to happen in future. So we are working on it. We are making sure our community is huge enough before launching something like that. We are working on it. And everybody, there will be airdrops. So users who build, and everyone is considered. We have point system in the platform. If you build more, you'll get more points and all the stuff. So eventually one day it will be converted into something.
I like that. Okay. Sunny D, LMD, any questions so far? Because I think what I want to do next, Hid, is I want to share my screen, because I want to show, and I want to go through it step by step, right? Like, I purposely haven't dug deep. I mean, I've used the platform before, but I genuinely want to show people, from the newbie side, from my side, how this works, right? And what you can genuinely, what you can actually do. But Sunny D, LMD, any questions before I kind of move on to that?
I did have a question originally when I was getting in here. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
what is the difference between third web and this? But just looking at it, I'm like, oh wow, it's completely from beginner to advanced and beyond.
Yep.
That's what I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'm still seeing what the differences are between that because I'm familiar with third web. So I'm here for the demo. And yes, if I get that all things crypto ENS, I just want to build one out with you while you're doing it. So let's go.
Let's go. I love it.
Go.
Let's go. Sunny D, anything from you?
No, I'm just kind of digesting it all. It's a lot, but it's a lot like traditional web builders, but the integration with Web3 is just beyond anything I have come across.
So we cautiously build the tool user friendly with the Web2 user experiences, integrating Web3 into it. So still there are some parts in Web2 you just build it, your website is live, but here there is the last part where you publish to the decentralized storage once you build the website. So once you published, then the website goes to the IPFS storage, and then you can connect the website to your ENS name. So the big difference is every time when you do some changes, you need to republish the website. Your old website will be always there, and you will be creating new copy of your website. Means you are utilizing the storage. It's not something like we can delete the previous content, because the main problem we are trying to solve is digital decay. Website should not go down. So you'll be always maintaining the copy of the website which is being published. So every time you need to publish. So once it is published and content goes live on IPFS, then you will be connecting to your ENS name once it is published, and you get the IPFS content hash added to it.
Got it. Okay. That makes sense. And I see that you all okay, so there's a bunch of stuff that I want us to go over, but also if anybody has any questions, obviously like in the chat, Miss A, I think you got your question answered. He said, yes, Raspberry Pi, $150, good and good. Welcome OM Dubs, Miss Gex, I see you. Yeah, Omar, what's good? Everybody else, welcome. I love seeing everybody here in the chat. I'm telling you, man, like this is, people want to. Cash, what's good, my man? It's good to see you as well. Okay, Hid, I am going to. I want to share my screen, and I want to walk through essentially like someone that, let's say, has one of my, all things crypto.e subnames, and I want us to kind of go through like how do we actually do it. So, how, I guess I don't want to say relevant, right? Because I just heard you say once you publish, then you can link your .eth to it. What is the actual name? So like if once we do all that stuff, does somebody actually, so like if I have dave.allthingscrypto.eth and I build on that name, is that the website that they go to once I do everything on WebHash and I publish it? Is that what they're typing into, let's say they're into the URL in their Chrome browser?
Yes, if you have connected that particular IPFS content hash to your ENS name, dev.it, for example, take dev.eth, yeah, definitely they will be visiting dev.eth.link.
Got it. Okay, cool. All right, so here's what I want to do. And Hid, I'm going to need you to have massive patience because I genuinely want us to like walk through this and be able to genuinely like show everybody like this is what, because this is the benefit of like live stream is like understanding like and seeing it visually is a world of difference when it comes to like what you're genuinely able to do. So let me see. I'm going to share my screen. Well, first I'm going to do this really quickly. LM, it was LM Designs 8, yeah? No, that's you already. Here we go. We're going to issue you the sub name. Bum, 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 bum. Here we go. So LM Designs 8 here. here. I'm going to mint this for you, LM, so that you can now have it, and I'll send it over to you. Okay, that's getting done. This is how easy it is to mint subdomains. And just so everybody is aware as well, these things, these NFTs that are literally sitting in your wallet now, like you now have the ability to build out your community under these subnames as well. So you can issue subnames like literally like whenever you want by going to app.ens.domains, essentially like the site you're seeing on the screen. Incredible stuff. Let me see. Dave, I can help anyone that would like to run a node. You can get one from Amazon delivered to your house. I love that. Thank you, Artie. Good shit. Guys, go follow Artie. Incredible. Artie, I hope you're good, man. Artie's OG from the ENS community as well. We had some wild nights contemplating some crazy stuff. But yeah, LM, go for it. Did you have a question? Sorry, I didn't know if you oh, I saw you move something. My bad.
I was trying to see it, and you did LM design without the S. I thought you said designs. I'm so sorry.
No, you good. I'm going to read. Luckily, this is the other thing, okay? So people that are on the Ethereum's too expensive, you know how much that cost me? 32 fucking cents. LMD, you're worth another 32 cents, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. People are crazy out here. LM Designs 8.
Yes.
Done and done.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Cool,
because I'm in here now, so I'm gonna see how fast this is. Like, this is buttery.
Yeah, it's really simple, like easy to use. Okay, so that's minting now. LM, once that's done, I'll send it over. Okay, so Hid, I am going to share this screen. Okay, so now that I'm here, right? Or wait, is it builder.webhash.com? Yeah, this is it?
Yes.
Okay, I go get started?
Yes.
Beautiful. Now share this tab instead. Okay. Now, do I want to now if I want this link to my let's say all things crypto, I hit connect wallet?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna connect this right now. Bam, 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 bam. Wallet connect. Love this. Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Avalanche, Arbitrum, BNB Smart Chain. Love it. Okay, connected, confirm. Boop, boop. Face ID, bam, 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 and done. And I'm in here. Okay, let's cook. Yeah, I have no idea what this website is. Literally not even a fucking clue. So I'm just gonna delete this. Probably. I don't even know what this is. No blocks.
This is a blank template which you have used. It's better go to home.
The templates.
Yeah, create.
Template marketplace. Oh, create.
Yes. Yeah, this is fine. Template marketplace. Yes.
Okay.
You can choose any template from here.
Got it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, here's the ATC, kind of like somewhat like the ATC colors. Okay, so all right, now I have this is desktop, tablet, mobile. Everything is like form fitted. You guys do all the fancy shit in the background, yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Cool. Okay, so now I hit build now, and it opens up the whole menu.
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay. Hi, I'm a Carlo, designer, developer, and dreamer. So now, okay, let me just look through these myself, right? So custom HTML, image, let's talk. So, all right, so you're seeing all of these. Oh, or I could just hit them here, right? So download. Oh, this is the resume one. Yeah. Web design, creative consulting, and passionate creator. Okay. So now if I wanted to, my professional, oh, this is so cool. Like a timeline. Look at this shit. Like, yeah, this is really cool. So now you can literally just list out all of your different experience. Hid, how do people actually, just a quick question, how do people actually use this? What's it called? How do they use this like with AI, right? Like, how do they actually like get the, like, because like I'm looking at this and I'm saying to myself, like all of these different areas, I'm like, all right, I'm going to literally copy paste my LinkedIn into GPT and I'm going to say, create me a timeline of like my experience and my events and whatever. And then I'm just going to copy paste and just put everything in here. Can it genuinely be that simple? Yeah.
You can use custom HTML block, copy the code from ChatGPT, paste it here. You're good to go. You can try that now if you want.
What's that?
You can try that with ChatGPT now.
Yeah, I definitely want to try that with ChatGPT now. Hold on, I'm opening up GPT as we speak. Hold on 1 second. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, Artie, I got you 100%. Artie, let me know how you want it to read. Artie.allthingscrypto, ARTIE, or do you want artieofficial.allthingscrypto.eth? Let me know. Post it in the comments, and I got you, my man. Okay, so let me see. So hold on, divider. Wait, I want to go back. I want to see the. Oh, okay, divider. Don't mind the kids in the background. They're a little crazy. My professional journey. So now where do I see? So now ad block. Okay, this is what I wanted to look at. LMD, like check this out. I know you were here. I don't know. I think you came like right when we were going through this, but like look at all of these different blocks that you can genuinely like add to any of this, right? So if I want to upload a file, a video, audio. So I have here, ready? I have a video, let's just say. Choose a file. I'm going to choose said file. Hold on. Okay, I need the Kaka promo. Don't ask any questions. I work for a squirrel, okay? Okay, so check, let's see. If I want to upload this, do I have to put a thumbnail image?
No, it's your choice. If you want to add image, you can add, or it's okay. You can give it.
Okay, let's see. I want to see how this works. This is so fucking cool. Literally instantly, and it's just on there. Hold on a second. I'm going to play with this a little bit more. Hid, I know it's late for you, so we don't go. You're okay?
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
10:30 p.m. here.
All right. Beautiful. Here, let's see if I wanted to add. Look, so if I do for ATC, I can literally do ATC. Like, look at this promo. I can just add this to the page and I can put it wherever I want. Now, once it's on the page, can I move? Oh, and I get it. I know it. I just answered my own question. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to show everybody how to do it.
You can drag and drop the blocks.
Yeah, drag it. So all this, I can just drag and drop wherever I want them to show up. Yeah?
Yep.
That's what. Okay, so ATC, if I want this all the way at the top, hold on. Wait. Kaka. Where's ATC?
No, it's there in the.
Oh, okay. Here. ATC. Drag it up further. Okay. And then I drag it up further. I'm an idiot when it comes to this stuff, guys. Don't, like I'm literally slow as hell. This is not what I do. And now this is really cool. Okay. And all right, I'm just going to move it up once more.
There are a lot of blocks in this webpage.
There's a lot. I chose the one with the majority of the blocks, right?
Yeah, it's on top now.
This is cool. This is really cool. So now this could be the first thing that somebody sees genuinely when they come to.
Behold the glyph. ATC, the power foretold.
Look at my video. That's my computer. That's a piece of shit. So sorry about that. My new MacBook is downstairs. I still have to set it up. Give me a break, right? Get off my back, guys.
ATC, the power foretold.
I guess it's still uploading. Yeah, I think it's still uploading. My computer's this MacBook is officially kicked. But how cool is this now, though, man? Like I can literally have my content. I can put my space. Wait a minute. I can put my Spaces calendar here. I can put my Spaces recaps here.
You can add your live streams. You can add your entire YouTube channel to it and say that, okay, visit allthingscrypto.eth.limo and see all the videos which have been published in past. And even while you're live streaming, you can have a dedicated decentralized page for the live stream and share it instead of sharing YouTube link.
That's so fucking cool. So, oh my God. Okay. So bottom line, like you got to spend a little bit of time on this. This is an easy way to actually do this. But if you're serious about actually building something real, this is a phenomenal tool to be able to do it. And then I can get to see what it looks like on tablet, on mobile. That's fucking cool. Hey, this is so dope, man. Yeah. Bottom line, like to everybody that's watching, that's listening, like you literally have to get in this tool, and actually start using this tool to be able to genuinely understand like what it can actually do for you. 100%. Like if you're not serious about building, you're like, I don't know. You're gonna watch everybody else build shit. Cool. Let me, LM, and Sunny D and Hid build all the cool shit. Like no problem. But this is really, really good stuff. Yeah, Hid, I just got to get into this and actually just like play around with. Hid, let me ask you a question. One more. Do you have a service that like somebody can like a white glove type service where somebody can build for me? Like if I'm like, oh my God, I'm so busy. Not that I'm that bougie, but I'm just saying maybe I'm a little bougie, LM. You know what I mean? But if I'm saying I'm too busy, do you have? If I'm like, hey, I'll send you all the files, all the this, all the that. Can you give me a couple of different renderings? Do you guys have a service that does that?
We want to empower our community members, like Artificial.eth, Chappy.eth. So these are the community members. Even you can reach out to Shabbat. Okay, so they can build for you. You can pay them for services which they have provided. They can build, and they have built beautiful websites for different community members already.
Really?
So you should be able to reach out them, and we are going to have a landing page for the builders who can provide service to the community members. And once they build, we have a feature where they can transfer the website to other wallet, and they can start connecting to their ENS name. So what we are building is you should be able to tokenize the decentralized website which you have built. Like you can convert the website into an NFT, where a lot of use cases will come together when you convert a website into an NFT. Like you can fractionalize it, you can raise crowdfunding by fractionalizing the NFT, or you can build a business around your ENS name.
I can still ownership in my website. Like if my website starts, if I token gate this, right, just so y'all understand exactly how much money is out here, okay? If I token gate this and all of the NFTs that I'm giving y'all for free now eventually are not free, right? People are going to want to access my content, and that will happen, I promise you. And I start generating money, I can then tokenize the website and then sell 49% of the business if I want, right? So that essentially everyone can invest in me and my business. Is that what you're saying, Hid?
Yes. That's the idea.
Yo, this is crazy shit. This is crazy. Like the age that we're living in is not LMD. The age that we're living in is not normal.
It's wild. It is wild. I'm sitting here like, wait a minute. There's so much that I'm thinking about. I'm like, the custom worlds that I've built for Sapphire and Kali live inside of Spatial alone. But if they tie it to a music release that they have going on and then say, guess what? There's a party and you can only access it through the all things crypto.eth that we got tied to our thing. That is at surface level. What? Yeah. There's a power to this. It's going to be such a way to use it to have you be able to directly connect to the people who love your work the most and vice versa. And then that just grow. I really like that.
Yeah, great point. Hid, what are some of the like really cool, like maybe unique use cases that you've seen so far of people that are building like using WebHash? Like what, maybe some like give me some of like the out of the box stuff that people are potentially like that like what they've built.
So I saw someone build a game using emojis, some emojis like some emojis.eth, which has this rock paper scissor kind of a thing.
That's cool.
And Flexter bought it because of the game.
Really?
Which has been on that emoji.eth stuff. Rock paper scissor lizard, I guess. I don't remember what is that, but still those emojis.eth has been built on a game, and the name was acquired because of the game, and he promotes it every time. Go and play the game on the name. Like that. See, there are a lot of things will open up one tokenization comes into picture, like a blog, a podcast platform, or a video platform built using WebHash and convert it into an NFT and connect it to an ENS name. Have it listed on Vision or OpenSea. When they buy the domain, this website ownership will be transferred to that particular user. Okay.
Got it.
Even as you said, you can raise partials, fractionals sold to someone, raise some investment, or do crowdfunding and say that, okay, this is fractionalized, you will get part of it. So end of the day, if someone buys out the business, everyone will get part of it in a decentralized way, permissionless way. Basically, they don't have to depend on the creator or the builder who built it. Everything happens on OpenSea. Everything is transparent. And right now, escrow and all this stuff, it's difficult. Huge commissions for the agents who handle this transaction. So all this can be avoided. As I said, the crypto pay block avoids the middleman between you and your user. Okay, so he is directly paying to you. He's not paying to some third party platform where they take 10% commission, and after taking the commission, they hold your funds for few weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the first frustrating part of
Yeah.
this e-commerce or online payment stuff. So we want to overcome all this stuff. That is that we are going towards it. Tokenization will be live soon, where anybody can build, tokenize the website, and their content is on OpenSea, where they can list it and sell their business through OpenSea or any NFT platform which supports EVM-based NFTs.
Yo, LMD, you know why this is great? Like tokenize it, like being able to tokenize your website is if there's crazies out there like you and me, then what's going to happen is they're going to build something, they'll build something successful, and then they're going to have a bazillion and one other ideas. So if I tokenize my website, I'm like, if this is generating money, I'll sell a minority interest, 49%. I'll take that lump sum money and I'll go fund my next project, right? Like that's like the right. The amount of possibilities of the shit that you can do with this tech is crazy. And it all starts from like building a website, building a link tree, building a resume. Like, come on, man. There's so much stuff out here. This is incredible, dude. This is really, really incredible, man. Like, I mean, congratulations, kudos to you. Like, I wish you nothing but success, like you and your team. You have my word. I am absolutely going to build something on this. I don't know how great it's going to be, how good it's going to be, but token gating and tokenization that's coming in the future, that for me is literally music to my ears. So I will gladly be a test case. Feel free. I will gladly use it. But yeah, man, like this is, and you're getting like cross-chain payments that are going to be going soon as well, which is like incredible, man. Really, really dope stuff.
Hey, thanks to our community, thanks to the ENS community, which backed us, supported us to build this great product. Okay, so and whatever we are trying to build, whatever experiments we are doing, communities behind us who helped us to grow this much and made this vision possible. And like what I can say, thanks to everybody who supported us from day one.
Yeah, it's amazing. And hey, feel free to hang out like me and LMD. Like, yo, LMD, let's geek out on this stuff. Like, I want to literally just start playing around with this thing. I know you're playing around with it in the background, but I'm trying. Sunny D, I know. Let me make my bad. I'm a fucking terrible host. My bad, Sunny D. My fault. But yeah. Oh, and Artie, drop your if you've done any websites for anybody in the past, like feel free, please share them like in the chat. I would absolutely love to see like what you've done. Because look, I am somebody that my time is my most valuable commodity at the end of the day. I love playing with this shit, but the reality is, I mean, something like this, I would obviously put time into because it's my business and it's a moneymaker. But if I can accept payments, I'm playing with it. Period. End of story. But I genuinely want to see what you've built, Artie. So if you can, please, bro, like share your stuff. I just minted your all things crypto.eth, bro. So I have it for you. Let me know where to send it to. Unibonger, what's good, bro? I just sent it to you. But LMD, you've been playing with this in the background. I know. I see you tinkering. Like, I see you tinkering. Like, what's the deal? Like, what's the feedback so far? You liking it?
I'm that kid who found the candy store that I was like, this is where my sweet tooth and my cavities come from. So there will be sleepless nights, even though I'm that person who always promotes get all your rest. Yeah, this is gonna, I'm giving space and time for this one. I'm gonna be down lots of different rabbit holes with this one. I'm like, there's so many different applications off the top of my head that I can think of because for all the different various XR, AR activations and scavenger hunts I have that I only want people to be able to access in certain times, bam, you've given me a way and options just based on my .eth. What? I'm really excited.
Yeah, you can genuinely like set right. You could set like expiration dates for like ticket. You could use them like your ENS domains, like, and issue them and have them be tickets with expiration dates, right?
Yes, you can do that.
There's so much stuff. Like I genuinely don't think people understand. So here, ready? Let me see if I can share this screen. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna open this up, and I want y'all to see. I just went to GPT really quick. I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm going to share my whole screen. Hopefully, you guys don't see any of the porn that I was watching. I'm kidding. Hold on. Entire screen. Okay, so check this out. Okay, so you guys see the GPT, yeah? Or no?
Yes, we can see that.
Okay, beautiful. So I was like, give me 10 use cases, right? For builder, like for on WebHash. 5 of them standard ones. The other 5, make them like crazy out of the box. So just like it said, like Hid was telling us, link trees, resumes, small business landing page, NFT project site, blog thought leadership. Cool. This is why you essentially need it and what this genuinely does and how great it is to solving that problem. I have no idea what this says, so this could be something crazy. So you can create a I always love doing this because this is like the out there shit LMD. Like this is the live out there shit that I'm just like, this is fucking crazy. A live Farcaster war room, a dashboard that streams an unfiltered Farcaster feed during a market event. That's cool. Sunny D. Fucking Justin Sun ringing the opening bell at the NASDAQ. Live on Farcaster. We can get paid for that shit, dude. What are we doing? We drop a Farcaster. So now all I have to do is drop. So, okay, Hid, hold on. And I'm going to come here now. So what I'd have to do here is I would add a block. I'd look for the social widget. Is there one for Farcaster? Like where?
Yeah, it's in Web3 blocks. You can.
Oh, Web3.
Right now, the block will bring your, I think, social feed to the platform.
I think my name is this. I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, that's it. I mean, I have no activity on Farcaster because I'm a fucking nobody on Farcaster. So this is probably accurate. But this is really, and I can put, so wait a minute. I can put anybody's feed up here if I want. I can have Jesse Pollock, essentially.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, now my brain is going, right? Like now I'm starting to think, okay, because here's the trick, guys, and here's what you want to do. You want to go to this, okay, and you want to see everything that's possible, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Like just FYI, this is what I like to do. I like to do this. I take screenshots, right? I'm like, okay, these are the options. I then come down here and I'm like, okay, the Web3 options. I do that one more time. I take the screenshots. Okay. And then what I do is I take those screenshots and I bring them into GPT and I'm like, this is what is available to me right now. Given what you know about me and my business, how can I best use WebHash with what you just saw? And it will spit out like some of the craziest stuff you've ever seen. Like, and here, I'm just going to do the last one just for good measure. So I can use it after the stream is over and I can show you guys what to do. But like now what it's going to do is it's going to look at the picture and it's going to say, okay, these are all of the potential blocks that I can add. Guys, you can legitimately build a business with this. Okay. Sorry, let me stop this. You can legitimately build a business with this, right? Just by posting pictures of those images that I just showed you, because that's the block repertoire for WebHash, and say, build me a business. You see what WebHash can do. Build me a money-making business that I can use that maybe doesn't take too much effort, yada, yada. Like, and it'll spit you out probably a whole business plan, and it'll tell you how to use WebHash and be like, this is what you can do. Take your Twitter, take your Farcaster here, and just iterate. Just keep iterating. This is the beautiful part about this. Hid, I love you and I hate you at the same time because now my brain is going in a million fucking directions and I'm literally going down rabbit holes. I'm going to go down rabbit hole city now.
This is crazy because I feel like Web 2 people, including like myself, like I built my business as Web 2, like as the rise of social media happened and then, like content management systems made web development easier and faster. Like, and it's kind of like it peaked Well, and the next step was like integrating blockchain and then having it, and then also they've like monetized building using old school content management systems so heavily that everything within them is like there. It's like you got to pay for another feature, pay for another feature, pay for another feature,
Yeah.
and like you're hosting your website wherever they want to host it, and this just like pulls the best of Web 2 directly into Web 3, and it's like now I feel, I don't know, I feel excited again because now I can build, because I'm kind of like Dave. I'm a content producer. Like now I can plug and play. I don't have to necessarily, and devs probably don't want to make websites. They want to code and make smart contracts and like build products like this. And
Yeah.
this is gonna like remove the tasks that developers maybe aren't like super, not all of them. This is going to allow people who can use content management systems to start implementing all these different features of Web3 and blend them together into one site. This is incredible. Like,
so cool. So cool.
now I'm excited. Like I could start building something. Like I could take my business from its Web 2 like, structure, and now, for example, in my local community, be like, hey, this is what Web 3 is, and now this is how you engage with a Web 3 website. And so I can showcase this to all my local clients and be like, this is how, I've migrated my business from Web 2 to Web 3, and this is how it can be done.
I love it.
It's cool. Like,
yeah. Well said, Sunny D. Well said. I'm literally updating my socials now, as if like where am I going? Like I'm literally updating all my socials. Crypto Magic Hour, DCBK2LA, Facebook. Like this is.
So I have a question for Hid before,
yeah, of course.
If he has to, I don't know what his time schedule's on, but so do you have? Where can we all learn about? I mean, obviously you have social media, but where's the best places to stay linked into what you guys are doing, and where we can kind of see a roadmap? And are there any like future plans that you're really stoked about?
Yeah, we have our white paper published where you can see the roadmap, what we are building and those stuff. You can visit whitepaper.webhash.com. For documentation, how to build a decentralized website and those stuff, you can go to help.webhash.com, where I detailed. Let me quickly show. So entire screen.
This is so fucking cool, Hid. I'm literally lost in this right now, man. This is so wild. Snapchat.
I just want to go play around with it so much.
Bro, I swear to God, dude. Pinterest, Spotify, LinkedIn. There's so much.
Can you see my screen there?
Not yet.
No, I can't. Try it one more time, Hid. I think I maybe have to approve it.
Okay, let me try again.
Yeah.
Share my screen. Yes. I think now it's working. Yes. There are a lot of stuff. If you want to read about Node Network and our master plan, you can visit from the homepage, which shows what is our master plan behind the entire WebHash ecosystem. And as I said, the major problem which we are trying to solve is digital decay, where we should be able to make those websites live forever on the internet. If you want to read our white paper, you can visit whitepaper.webhash.com, where we have described everything about WebHash. What are the different layers on WebHash, like hosting layer, gateway layer, application layer, and how website performance is maintained, and what is hash token and tokenomics and all those stuff. And then there are ecosystem product. For ENS names, we have a Web3 gateway available for Chrome and Chrome related web browsers. If you install this extension, you don't need to add anything. You just type .eth name. it will take you to your decentralized website. Okay, so it will open from IPFS and those stuff. Similarly, we have different ecosystem products where we are trying to solve this entire decentralized website building and digital decay issues and those stuff. And you can read whatever we are planning in future for WebHash from the white paper. If you want to read the help documents about WebHash no code builder, you can visit help.webhash.com, uh, where uh, where we have given tutorials about each and every block, how you can work. You can watch the video tutorial about it, and you can try it out. Similarly, every block has been detailedly explained here. Uh, so this is how you can access those things. And there is one more tool which we have built for developers, for the coders and builders. It is kind of versatile, where a builder who has built React app and something, they can log in through their GitHub and start connecting their repos and deploy their applications or static websites to IPFS using this pro.webhash.com. It's kind of a vessel for Web3 kind of a thing. You can select a repo, then start deploying it, and then you can connect that particular deployment to your ENS name and those stuff. So I think we missed the important part, how to connect a decentralized website to ENS name.
Yeah.
Okay. So once you publish, you can see the website is visible in your dashboard, and then you can see the ENS names. I think I am not in Ethereum chain. I am on base. So once you connect your Ethereum chain, this will give you your ENS names. Right now, I think there is some network issue. It is not showing the ENS domains. We'll see into it. Or you can, here it will show your ENS names, and you can select the ENS name and start.
Wait. Refresh it. It's got to show it. We got to see it.
I guess my internet is crazy about it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So this API, I think it is not working, but still, if you log in, it will show your ENS names here, and you should be able to connect it through those. Here I can show you. Once you connect, it will fetch all your ENS names. It will show the list of ENS names. Then select the ENS name and connect it to your decentralized website. That is how, if you want to connect your DNS names, yeah, we have those features also available in platform. If you have 3DNS tokenized domains, we will automatically fetch those domains from your wallet, and you can connect it to those DNS names from here. If your domain is somewhere like GoDaddy or Namecheap or something, you can use the DNS module. Click it. You can connect to any website like all things crypto.com. You can connect it. Okay. So we have built a technology where decentralized website will be connecting to centralized DNS domains. Yeah, I think now
this is the GoDaddy integration, right, Hid?
Yeah, GoDaddy, any DNS providers, you can use it and start connecting it to decentralized websites. Similarly, we have recently integrated SNS, Solana name services, then SUI-NS, SUI name services. Okay, so if you want to connect your Solana name services, you just have to click Sol domains here. So once your wallet is connected, it will fetch the domains from Solana chain, and you can select any domain and start connecting.
So if I have a live website, so my website now is here. I'll put it in the comments so that we can see the web3c.com. Right. So like I just put it in the comments, like that's my current website right now. Right. Mm-hmm. So if I build this whole thing out, right, but the web3c.com is built out already. What happens to and I'm an idiot when it comes to this, so I don't know. With content and everything already on the web3c, I think it's hosted on Versal. How does that actually, how does it work? If I build something here and then I connect to the web3c, what happens?
So you'll be changing the IP address of that particular domain. A record will be added to the domain. Then the decentralized gateway which you have built, it will make sure your content is being served from the IPFS content, and it will be showed on your DNS domain. Okay, now I think ENS name has popped up. So nice. Here you will see the ENS names. You can drop down. You can select the name. So I got hit.allthingscrypto.eth. So
let's go.
That ENS name. So once you click connect, it will ask you to pay the gas fees. So once you 1.23, nice. So I paid the gas fees. Okay, once the transaction goes through, your website will be live on allthingscrypto.eth. So let us wait until.
So all I have to do is, so if I go in and put in hid.allthingscrypto.eth, then .limo, then it'll show up?
Yep, it should. Okay, so let us visit.
Yo, this is wild. You really do make it seamless as fucking hell, to just be able to just... Nah.
Butter.
Yo, that's crazy, Hid.
Yep. This is live.
Yo, if you
now you can go to hit.allthingscrypto.eth.
Oh, let's go!
And donate me crypto.
That's incredible, man. That's incredible.
I do have a question. You said
now
that every iteration lives. So once you do an update, it never dies. Now, is there a way that, say, for 10 years from now, we want to have a retro moment? Is there a way to access that so that I could pop that iteration back up?
Definitely.
Okay, just checking.
And see, what we built with WebHash is you can prove the ownership of the content which is being published. Okay, so every website which is being published through WebHash, a on-chain transaction has been happening on base chain, where you can prove you are the owner of that content which is being published to our IPFS network. That is what we built with Node network to provide the provenance of the content. So, for example, you take NFT projects which has been published onto IPFS. They cannot prove they are the owners of the content which has been to IPFS. You will get only IPFS CID. But the technology which we built with our Node network is every website which is being published, every content is tagged with your wallet address. Okay, the wallet which you connected to WebHash, that wallet address will be stored on chain with your IPFS content hash. Whenever you want to prove that you are the rightful owner of that content, you can just go to base chain, query it, and it will show your wallet is the owner of that particular content which is being published
on Basescan. You can see it on Basescan.
Yes.
Wow.
So right now it's on testnet. Once we go mainnet, now you can check in Sepolia.basecamp.io. Then once we go to mainnet, you can see on base chain, or we may launch our hash chain.
Ooh, aka foreshadowing. That's the alpha hash chain coming soon. Yo, hey, this is a lot, man. It's a lot, but it's easy to digest. It's right. It's easy to digest for me. That's sexy as hell. That is sexy as hell.
Like I said earlier, it's just it's a user-friendly format. It's really people got to get in there and explore and start making it. It's just like any content management system. They're all kind of similar. They all kind of do the same thing, but this has, Web3 completely bundled into it, and will continue to have it. Because I have a client who he tried doing the NFTs, and we hired a company where their thing was building out utility independent marketplaces for NFTs, and and you'd manage their collections and all the utilities in the back end. But eventually they ran out of funding, and all of a sudden the website's gone.
Yeah.
And we don't have ownership of the website. It was all through them. And this, so now we're like, well, we have all these digital images we created, and his audience isn't really Web3. He's like, I just want to sell digital images on my current website. And so I just went through the process, and he's selling JPEGs that you can right click and save, but you can buy them with a credit card on his website. But
yeah,
so this is an incredible platform. I can see it's very well made and very smooth. We didn't run into very many hiccups during.
You didn't run into any hiccups, bro. Everything, literally, you push the button, it does what it's supposed to do.
This is a very well made product. You can just tell by how quickly we will be able to go. Hid went through all the different examples, and this thing's ready to go.
Yeah.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, bro. 8,000 people using it, Sunny D. So at the end of the day, this is it, man. Amazing. Yeah, guys, I do. We got to hit. Is there anything else maybe that you want to share before we go?
I think start building on your ENS name, not only ENS names, build on your DNS or any decentralized domain which you hold, because your identity should live forever. That is what WebHash is enabling you to do, not only identity, business, or whatever portfolio, whatever you want to build, WebHash enables you. And if you have any spare PCs available in home, or if you are ready to invest $100 to $150 to set up a node, please set up a node and help the network to grow, and make sure the websites which is being published is always available through your contribution to the network.
Done. I'm definitely setting up a node. If token incoming, I'm definitely sending up a node. You better believe that shit. That's for sure. LM, anything before we? Sunny D, great stuff. Also, thank you, man. LM, anything before we go?
I'm a kid in the cage, so I'm super excited. I'm already building out just the wear the drip side of things, because people keep asking me what I'm wearing. I'm like, I wear me, so now you can wear it too. So I'm gonna bring that everywhere y'all are, and it's gonna be tied to stuff that I own. It's the power. It's being a creator, being able to truly own my own things is amazing. And then I can disseminate it to all the other socials that think they own my stuff, which they don't. Yes, I love it.
Amazing. Thank you for joining the stream today.
Thank
really
you for having me.
Of course, I would love to have you on future ones. And to the 2,668 to 2,668 of you that joined, go check out WebHash. Check out what Hid is building. It is absolutely incredible. Hid, I am going to be pushing this all day, every day in my All Things Crypto stuff, because I think my community is really going to like this, because some of them are lazy. They didn't show up here, but they're going to show up at 5:30, right? Some people have work, you don't know. But I'm going to be pulling these clips and sharing them all over my page, all over ATC, and really genuinely showing people this is the power is yours now. Create something real, start accepting payments, and start fucking bettering your life out here, because you own your shit now. You own your stuff.
And it lives forever.
Forever.
Yep.
I want to live forever. I want to live forever. Thank you, Hid. I appreciate you. I'm going off to, where am I going? Sky Zone? I'm going on trampolines and jumping around with nieces and nephews. So hopefully I don't break a leg or a neck or anything else. Yeah. Sunny, LM, Hid, I really appreciate you guys. And to everybody that was in the comments, Artie, thank you very much. And yes, Artie, it is time for a build-a-thon. I say we do it, but everybody that tuned in, man, thanks. And VeVeMagic is back with me next week, obviously, on ATC, on Crypto Magic Hour. So check us out next Monday at 12 p.m. Eastern.
The Crypto Magic Hour, feel the power, counting coins as we print